Now see question number 25. It is given two matrices A and B. You have to find the matrix A plus B. Matrix A plus B is equal to matrix 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5 plus matrix 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1. Matrix addition means you have to add the corresponding elements. That is 2 plus 1. Add the corresponding elements. 3 plus 0 minus 1 plus 1. 7 plus 2. 8 minus 4. 5 minus 1. So that will be 3, 3, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 9, 4, 4. This is the matrix A plus B. Now next question. Define trace of a matrix. Important definition. Trace of a matrix. Trace of matrix. Trace of a square matrix. A square matrix capital A is defined as the elements as the sum of sum of the elements in principal diagonal. That is called trace. So trace of A is equal to A11, A22 plus A33 and so on, AN. These are the elements in the principal diagonal. Now in this matrix you can see, in this matrix 1, 3, minus 5, 2, minus 1, 5, 2, 0, 1. These are the elements in the principal diagonal. A11, A22, A33. First row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. Now trace of A is equal to, you have to add all the elements in the principal diagonal. So 1 plus minus 1 plus 1. That will be 1. Trace of A is 1. So trace of a matrix, square matrix, capital A, is the sum of the elements in the principal diagonal. Now question number 27. They have given matrix A is equal to I, 0, 0, I. I is the number iota and I square equal to minus 1. They asked to find A square. A square can be written as A into E. Matrix multiplication A into E. Now A, I, 0, 0, I into I, 0, 0, I. Multiplying these two matrices in multiplication, first row into first column. I into I square plus 0. I into 0, 0 plus 0 into I, 0. Second row, first column. 0 plus 0. 0 into I into 0. Second row, second column, 0 plus I square. So that implies A square is equal to matrix. So we know that I square is the number iota, I is the number iota, and I square is equal to minus 1. So you will get minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Now question number 28. It is given that capital A is a matrix and A square is a null matrix. So now consider A square. A square is equal to A into E. So that is equal to 2, 4, minus 1k into matrix 2, 4, minus 1k. This A square is given as a null matrix. Null matrix means each element of the matrix is a 0. So So you multiply these two matrices. So first row, first column. 2 2s are 4. 4 into -1 -4. So 2 4s are 8. First row, second column plus 4k. So -2 minus k. Second row, first column. Second row, second column -4 plus k square. Now this matrix A square is given as null matrix. So each element must be a 0. That implies 8 plus 4k is equal to 0. This element is also 0. So 4k is equal to -8, k is equal to -2. Next question number 29. It is given matrix A is equal to -4, -5, 3. They ask to find A plus A transpose and A into A transpose. Now you are given matrix A. So A transpose is going to be, transpose is obtained by interchanging rows into columns or columns into rows. So it will be 2 -5 -4, 3. I have written first column as first row, second column as second row. Now A plus A transpose is matrix 2 -4 -5 3 plus matrix 2 -5 -4 3. So that will be matrix 2 plus 2 -4 -5 -5 -4 3 plus 3. So matrix 4 -9 -9 6. Transpose, they ask to find transpose first. Transpose is obtained by interchanging rows into columns or columns into rows. I have written first column as first row, second column as second row. Then we have added A and A transpose. Now A into A transpose is matrix 2 -4 -5 3 into matrix 2 -5 -4 3. Now matrix multiplication is first row into first column. So 2 into 2 plus -4 into -4. First row into first column. First row into second column. 2 into -5 plus -4 into 3. First row into second column. Second row into first column. -5 into 2 plus 3 into -4. -5 into -5 plus 3 into 3. First second row into second column. So that will be 4 plus 16, minus into minus plus, minus 10 minus 12, minus 10 minus 12, 25 plus 9. So it will be matrix 20 minus 22 minus 22, 34. This is matrix A into A transpose. Now coming to question number 30. Here they have given two matrices A and B. They asked to prove that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now first of all I will consider AB. Matrix AB. So matrix 2 minus 1 2 1 3 minus 4 into matrix 1 minus 2 minus 3 0 5 4. That is equal to matrix AB. We are writing AB. First row into first column. First row into first column. 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 5. First row into first column. First row into second column. 2 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 4. first row into second column. Now second row into first column, 1 into 1, 3 into -3, -4 into 5. Second row into first column. Second row into second column, 1 into -2 plus 3 into 0 plus -4 into 4. So that is equal to matrix. Here 2 plus 3 plus 10. Here -4 plus 0 plus 8. 1 minus 9 minus 20. -2 plus 0 minus 16. So AB, matrix AB is equal to 15, 4, minus 28, minus 18. So AB whole transpose is going to be 15 minus 28, 4 minus 18. Now you have to find B transpose into A transpose. B transpose into A transpose. B transpose is the matrix by interchanging rows and columns, or rows into columns. So B transpose is going to be 1 minus 3 5 minus 2 0 4 into A transpose is going to be 2 1. So first column is written as first row, -1 3 2 minus 4. This is B transpose into A transpose. Rows into columns or columns into rows. So that will be matrix. So first row into first column, 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 plus 10, 5 to the 10. Next, first row into second column, 1 minus 9 minus 20. Second row into first column, -4 0 plus 8. Second row into second column, -2 0 minus 60. So B transpose into A transpose equal to matrix 15 minus 28 4 minus 18. Clearly AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. This problem you may get as 4 marks question. Next, in question number 31, they asked to define a symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix, very important. Symmetric matrix. A square matrix, capital A is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. Said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. And another important point, if A is symmetric, then Aij is equal to Aji. That means A12 is equal to A21 according to the position. Now it is given that this matrix is symmetric matrix. Okay, then Aij is equal to Aji. Now position of X is A32, third row, second column, is equal to second row, third column. That means X is equal to, what is second row, third column? 6. This is third row, first row, second row, third row, second column element. It is equal to second row, third column element. That will be 6. Now, next, in question number 32, they asked to define skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix capital A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus A. If A transpose equal to minus A, it is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Now in this case, Aij is equal to minus Aji. Very simple. Now it is given that is a skew symmetric matrix. Now the position of this element is A32, third row, second column. It is going to be equal to minus A23. Aij is equal to minus Aji. So A32 is x is equal to minus, second row, third column is minus 2. So x is equal to 2. Important definition. Symmetric means A transpose equal to A. Skew symmetric means A transpose equal to minus A. In case of symmetric, Aij equal to Aji. In case of skew symmetric, Aij equal to minus Aji. Now here the question is about determinants. In this question number 33, they have given that A is equal to 45. Asked to find the value of x. Now that A is equal to 1 into 3x. You have to remove this row and column. The determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. So that will be 3x plus 24. So 3x plus 24 is given as 45. So 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 7. Now next question number 34. They asked to find the that A. Just find the squares of these values. 1, 4, 9, 4, 9, 16, 9, 16, 25. And you can directly find the determinant of this matrix. Now, question number 35. Find the adjoint and inverse of matrix A. Now, matrix A is given and that A is equal to 2 into 6 minus 3 into 4. So 12 plus 12, that is 24. Now if matrix A is equal to A, B, C, D, then adjoint A is equal to matrix D minus B minus C. This is adjoint A. And the inverse, A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C. This is A inverse. So, for this problem, adjoint A is equal to matrix 6, 3 minus 4, 2. D minus B minus C A. A inverse is equal to, what is that A? This is nothing but that A. 1 by 24 into 6, 3 minus 4, 2. Now this is the similar question. Next, find the rank of the matrix. Now let capital A is equal to matrix 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. To find the rank of a matrix, you can use elementary transformations. We will use R2 implies R2 minus R1, R3 implies R3 minus R1. Then it will be matrix 1 1 1 0 0 0. From second row, first row is subtracted 0 0 0. Third row also similarly same row transformation. Now by the definition, rank of matrix is equal to number of non-zero rows. So rank of A is equal to 1. Here non-zero rows is only 1. So rank of A is 1. Now you have to find the rank of this matrix. Let capital A be the given matrix. To find the rank of the matrix, you can find det A also. I will find det A. So det A is equal to 1 into 6 minus 4. You remove the first row and first column. Minus 2 into 4 minus 0 plus 3 into 2 minus 0. So you will get 2 minus 8 plus 6. So you get det A is equal to 0. Det A is equal to 0. So you have to consider a matrix of order 2 which is non-singular. Now you can observe a matrix B is equal to matrix 2 3 0 1 whose det B is not equal to 0. Therefore rank of A is equal to 2. Otherwise you can do the elementary transformations also. Matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 2 3 4 0 1 2. We will use elementary row transformations. So we will use R2 implies R2 minus 2R1 and that implies matrix 1 2 3 R2 minus 2R1. This is 0. R2 2 minus 2 into 1 0. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 4 minus 6. It will be minus 2. 0 1 2. Now we will use R3 implies R3 plus R2. Then you will get matrix 1 2 3 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 0. Now rank of A is equal to number of